It's no secret that plastic pollution has become a crisis we can no longer ignore. Every day, over 60 million plastic water bottles are being thrown away, with only an average of 9% of them actually being recycled. Our mission at Monarch is to improve the way you carry by creating the most responsible, sustainable, and super functional everyday bag. Introducing the all-new Cetra Series bag, a premium all-in-one everyday carry, gym duffel, and travel backpack. Each bag is engineered with durable, water-resistant, global recycled standard rPET fabric made from 50 recycled plastic bottles. The Cetra Series Everyday Duffel Pack has been meticulously and thoughtfully designed for commuting, traveling, hiking, and going to the gym. We used water-resistant, non-separating coated zipper coils to make the bag more weatherproof for unpredictable conditions. We've integrated multiple access pockets and low-pro zipper pockets for various storage needs, including a tech pocket and a shoe compartment with ventilation. Our multi-purpose strap design allows you to switch from duffel to backpack in a matter of seconds for hands-free travel. The comfort padded shoulder strap is instantly removable when switching carry functions. Simply pull the backpack straps from the hidden compartment and attach to corresponding D-rings. Use the adjustable sternum strap for added stabilization. Along with the Everyday Duffel Pack, we've created compact and modular added inserts to make your bag even more functional, incorporating 2 compression packs to allow you to condense and arrange your clothes for travel, a camera and lens gear case with divided inserts to protect and organize your equipment, and a tech pack to keep all of your cords, drives, chargers, and other digital tackle in order. The Monarch Cetra Series is backed by lifetime warranty and the power to make a difference. Please share and support our campaign so you too can be part of our journey to divert plastic waste from our oceans and landfills into long-lasting sustainable products. Here's to our future.
Here are 3 glasses of water. They all look the same, right? Water is water. Well, this one is taken from a puppy water bowl. And this one is regular tap. Now, which one would you rather drink? Has to be the tap one, right? Well, puppy or not, according to the Environmental Working Group, this glass of tap water can contain over 270 contaminants such as chlorine, lead, arsenic, fluoride, nitrate, PFAS, and rocket fuel. Yep, fuel. It would be great if they were all painted in different colors, so you could at least know. Sadly, they're not. This one is actual pure water. It's taken from AquaTru Connect, a revolutionary countertop water purifier that not only purifies your water, it also has sensors and an app that helps you keep safe by letting you see the quality of the water you're drinking. AquaTru Connect purifies your water thanks to its patented 4-stage ultra-reverse osmosis purification process. It's certified to remove 78 of the most dangerous toxic chemicals and effective at removing hundreds more. Pitcher filters? Don't even come close. Here's how it works. Fill the AquaTru tap water tank. The water goes through the 4-stage system, a pre-filter to remove sediment, a carbon filter to remove chlorine, then a reverse osmosis filter to remove dangerous metals like lead, fluoride, and chromium-6. Then a second, high-density activated carbon filter that removes volatile organic compounds like PFAS and prescription drug residue. The result? The best water you've ever tasted. Fresh, delicious, pure, without hundreds of contaminants. If you miss the taste of rocket fuel, you can add it yourself. The AquaTru pitcher is removable, so you can cool it in the fridge. AquaTru water is not only healthy, it's also economical. This is how much a gallon of AquaTru water costs compared to other pure water options. Then there's the environment. Over 50 billion plastic water bottles are used a year in the United States alone. AquaTru uses about 50 billion less than that. So, a quick recap. AquaTru's delicious water is contaminant-free, saves you money, and saves the environment. Plus, AquaTru Connect is really easy to install. There, it's installed. Then there's the AquaTru Connect app. This is 2020. To be the best, your filtering system better be smart. AquaTru Connect is super smart. It has sensors and an app. The built-in sensors tell you the quality of your tap water and how pure it is after filtering. Its connected database gives you detailed information about potential problems with tap water in your area. You'll also receive alerts when it's time to change your filter, clean, or do simple maintenance based on actual usage and not just set dates. That's how a smart system works. Want more? The app also gives useful information about how much water you're drinking, how many plastic bottles you've saved, how much money you're saving drinking from AquaTru. You're welcome. That's all great information, and our graphics are awesome. But to actually trust us, you may need some demonstrations. AquaTru is a system so powerful, it can actually turn Diet Cola and even energy drinks into pure water. Your tap water doesn't stand a chance. Need more proof? Well, take it from people who know a few things about water. At AquaTru, we're committed to transforming your tap water into clean, healthy water you can trust. We're a seasoned, dependable company that's been around for over 15 years, specializing in water and air purification. AquaTru Connect is the AquaTru 2.0, with our first version already enjoyed by tens of thousands of happy customers. So when it comes to purifying up your water, you can rest assured we really know what we're doing. In fact, we're so good, we're the brand Erin Brockovich swears by.
AquaTru. I'm using this in my own home.
So if you want an easy-to-install smart system to drink actually pure, delicious water from your tap and save a lot of money while doing it, get AquaTru Connect, the smart way to save pure water. Cheers!
Step in and turn it on. Warm, powerful streams of water immediately envelop you. This is the Nebia Spa Shower 2.0, inviting, effective, indulgent. Every detail was designed to give you a magical experience, drenching you completely while saving up to 65% of water. Through our patented atomization technology, Nebia creates a sensation of more water so you can feel good while doing good. The Nebia Spa Shower 2.0 is the next evolution in showering, with more heat, power, and coverage than ever before. Nebia 2.0's changes are more than skin deep. Nearly every component was redesigned to deliver our best shower experience yet. We promise you your shower will never be the same. Together, the Nebia community has already saved over 100 million gallons of water, and we're just getting started. At Nebia, we're not just building products, we're building a movement. We hope you'll join us.
There are lots of ways to cook on a sheet pan, but they're often wasteful or messy, and not everything takes the same amount of time to cook. We knew there had to be a better way. Introducing Cheat Sheets, a completely new approach to sheet pan cooking. Oven-safe non-stick silicone dividers that will streamline your cooking and divide your ingredients to make one-pan meals a breeze. With Cheat Sheets, you can separate your foods by cooking time, so that you can easily remove ingredients when they're ready, and never overcook them again. We've also created an easy timing guide, so you'll get great results every time. They're also perfect for meal prep, letting you cook all of your ingredients with better control and greater efficiency, and buying multiple sets lets you mix up your meal prep and keep it interesting. But it's not all about healthy eating. You can also have fun baking your favourite desserts, and because you can separate flavours, you can easily please even the pickiest of eaters. And the best part, Cheat Sheets are zero waste and naturally non-stick, so you'll never have to scrub another sheet pan again.
Hi, Chris here from Prepped. We are so excited to be back on Kickstarter with our fourth product. We created Cheat Sheets to reinvent sheet pan cooking and make it easier and more enjoyable to cook in the oven every single day. We've already started tooling, but we need your help to move into production. So please back us and let's make home cooking better together.